Yo, what is up there, YouTube? This is Miss MatchaBlossom. Miss MatchaBlossom. Miss MatchaBlossom. Miss MatchaBlossom. Miss MatchaBlossom. Hi guys, it is Miss MatchaBlossom, and today we're gonna be doing another unboxing. I have so many Hanfus. I know I'm wearing the same outfit. Just don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. You can obviously tell by the glove, I am actually doing a unboxing. If you guys haven't already known, I'm gonna make this known. Hi, my name is Miss MatchaBlossom. I am a Hanfu enthusiast. I'm not only an enthusiast, but I'm also a beginner to Hanfu and also in learning along the way of the Hanfu journey. And I want to share that with you guys. So feel free to subscribe to my channel to learn more about it and hit the like button so that you can learn more about these videos and let YouTube know that you're interested in my videos and that's something you want more of. As a disclaimer, I'm a beginner / amateur to Hanfu now because it's been almost 2 years now. And yes, I've been a little bit off from my videos lately. I had to get some personal things out of the way. I have, I think, 2 other Hanfus. One is coming in the mail. It's just taking forever. It's the big, nice red one. But yeah, let's go ahead and do some unboxing. Your girl upgraded to Velcro. I love that every time. So the weird thing is, when I got it in the mail today, my mom actually helped me get my stuff because I send it to her house instead of my place. And I was like, why are some of my stuff already open? So we were like, that's kind of weird. So customs has been tripping a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I did that to my other package, but it's fine. If you haven't seen that video, I'll post it up here or here. I want to take this off because I'm not used to how heavy and big it is on my hands, but whatever. So I'm showing it this way so you don't see my address. Ooh, which one is this one? Is this the green one? I'm sorry, I have a green one. I ordered 2 green ones, a blue one, and a red one. Oh, child, things are going to get easier. Ooh, that's a very nice sight to see. Already liking it. Okay, sister. Oh, by the way, if you guys haven't noticed, this Hanfu and the last Hanfu, they're a little bit more summery because I don't have a lot of summery ones. I have a lot of like fall. They're very eloquently designed. So I have a few of them that are very more down to earth, stuff I can wear around the house. All right, so here is the skirt. I normally save this last, but I want to start it with it first. Something just tells me I should. Okay. Oh my God, why am I falling? This has happened on the last one too. It's like impossible to take off. It's like more staticky than usual. Oh, ooh, oh my God, this one's pretty. Oh, and there's designs at the bottom. Okay, hold on, I'm getting too excited. Calm down, Matcha, calm down. Whoosh. Oh, it has inner lining. I'm sorry, I got really excited. So besides this obnoxious tag that you see right in front of you, there's also, okay, this is more of a modern kind of like chin for the, I believe I got a chi outer chin. If not, I will put the correct term over. Ooh, I did not mean to flick you off. Right here, sorry. This is actually what I got. I say modern because more of the modern chins for the Hanfus, as in Ru chin, right? It has a hole right here so that when you wrap it around your waist, you have an opening so it's easier to tie around the front, right? But some of them, they actually overlap for the older style, like more of the long base ones. So it doesn't have a hole in the middle, it just has you overlap it. But this is kind of like a modern-ish way of having it. Of course, I'm gonna let you guys know when you buy a cheaper Hanfu, it's gonna be cheaper materials. And also, sometimes cheaper Hanfu are good for people who are starting out or people who need to get used to wearing Hanfu layers. Like undergarments. If you haven't seen the video, it's right up there. Please go check it out. Hopefully go ahead and support me and go watch that video and hit a like. Thank you. It lets YouTube know I'm doing a good job. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So besides this obnoxious tag, it's probably telling me how to wash it, how to take care of it. I really appreciate that. If it's not, it's probably just a warning label or something. I unfortunately cannot read the language. I'm probably holding it the wrong way. If anyone knows how to read this, please feel free to let me know. Please don't be obnoxious about it, but I really appreciate it. So now here's the inner lining. So this is why I was like really happy because like I showed in the last video, the inner lining was somewhat still transparent, but here it looks like it's just a tiny bit more thicker, at least for my regards. And I really do like that about the skirt. And it does look like a little bit more thicker or a different fabric that's thicker for the outside as well. So I do appreciate that. I like that quality difference. Now I will show you the embroidery patch on the front. Here is the embroidery patch. I will try to do a B-roll to show it more in detail, but I really like how it looks. I really like how it looks. It's very simple and cute. It reminds me of a lot of Princess Tiana vibes, and this is actually my birthstone, believe it or not. I was born in August. I like this color in seafoam green, like a mint green. Believe it or not, even though I wear pink and blue all the time, green is actually my favorite color. Now that we have the skirt done, let's go ahead and check out the top. Here's the top. Comes with a tag, and it comes with some kind of like a thank you note, I believe, or a tag about the fashion of it. I don't know this. I need to learn language so I can get better. And yep, and this is the embroidery side. I'm about to take off these gloves. I'm so impatient. So impatient. I'm like, why don't I just wear the Hanfu? We'll have a video coming out how to take care of the Hanfu because I really think that's important. Ooh, okay. So I like how the straps on here are like kind of a spaghetti strap. I like that because for me, I like spaghetti straps more than thicker straps, even though I should wear thicker straps because I'm an hourglass figure, but whatever. And wider shoulders. I like the embroidery on the front. It is very cute. It's very adorable. Oh, so cool. And of course, it has the modern aspect of it with the stretch elastic for your back. So if you're feeling like it's not fitted or it's not fitting your back, it's too loose, that might come in handy. So it's just your standard polyester kind of Hanfu. If you're looking for a cheaper Hanfu, or if you're looking for a more breathable fabric as well. It's not just for cheaper, it's for breathable fabric. And to get used to layering anything like you have underneath, that might be a little bit easier for beginners or people who want to just breathe, or people in the summer who want to wear their Hanfu. It's a little bit more easier on your body. So that can apply for both, because I noticed that with male Hanfus, the same thing. And I will make a video on that. I just commented on that. Thank you for commenting on it. I haven't forgot you, honey. So this is the top. Okay, so it looks similar to the one I bought before. And this one I like because it has on the placket, which is that collar area that you see right here, actually has the design itself on it, which I think is a little bit cuter as well because it kind of adds more emphasis, if not realism to it on both sides. But we got it on the sleeves. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Can't tell if it's a tulle or what kind of flower it is. That's the only downside. Like right here, I'm not gonna lie, the embroidery looks like it's kind of shitty, but it could be just me. It could be just me. I can't tell which flower this is. If you guys do know what type of flower this is, I'll put it up here again. Let me know, like exactly if you know which flower it is. Both are around the sleeve and they have it on the placket itself. It is very pretty, very, very pretty. But now that that part's done, we're gonna get to the fun part, which is wearing it. After we wash it with cold water, we let it hang dry. We're gonna go ahead and try it on and with the rest of our garments. So you know my initial first reaction to it, wearing it, how it feels, what's my afterthought. So now that I've worn this Hanfu, I have pros and I definitely have cons. And here's what I have. I'll put the description up here. It's more like a fairy-like clothing. It's similar to modern Hanfu, or it's more of a Hanfu undergarment, which is more of a Mo Xiong. If I'm saying that correct, Mo Xiong? Hanfu undergarment. That's from the Song Dynasty. So that's more of what I'm seeing here. It just looks like it's been embellished a bit more so that it's more of like very beautiful looking. It's also very modern looking. So you can technically wear this outside, but do not expect certain Hanfu or historical people to agree with you that it's just Hanfu. But it's not saying it's bad. It's saying that that's something to think about. But when I bought this, I initially bought it not just to wear inside my house. Once again, if you didn't pay attention in the earlier video, I would say this is not historically accurate or even somewhat close to like fashionista Hanfu. I would say this is best to, in my opinion, wear in the house, or if you're really into style and you still want to wear it outside, that is up to you. That's your personal opinion. I cannot judge you for that. That's what you want to do. Just know that this is very transparent. This time around, I decided not to wear a bra with it, and yeah, if you got some thick areolas, probably wear some nipple coverings. I say that because if you can obviously see, you can see the seam and how transparent it is. You can know where my armpit is at. So I would say tread with caution if you're wearing this publicly. All in all, it's my favorite color. I like how pretty it is. I like how I can breathe through it, regardless of its sheerness versus opacity. But I would also say I accidentally wore this on backwards. The pattern of the embroidery is on the front. Here's a pro. I like how it's on the front, so you know exactly where and how to wear this. Good summer Hanfu, Janfu, really. So I just wanted to put that out there for you guys. But other than that, I'm gonna let Matcha reviewer from the clip continue the video. Let's get back to the present Matcha. All right, guys, what did you think of the Hanfu? Did you like it? Was it your favorite color? Is it something that would look better in a different way? How did you feel about it? That would be today's Hanfu unboxing, but there is more to come. But if you are enjoying the unboxings and my genuine reaction besides me actually reviewing them, go ahead and hit the like button. It lets YouTube know that this is the kind of video that you would like, and hit the subscribe button with the bell notification to let you know when I have a new video, and it lets YouTube keep you up to date. But of course, if you want to get to know me more, there is my Twitch streams that you can always watch if you're 18 plus. Don't be afraid. There's a lot of us that are out there. Just stay educated, stay grounded, and stay motivated. But don't forget to spread peace, love, and happiness. And it's only up to you, Blossoms, to make every day beautiful. I'll see you ladies and gents later. I am blossoming out. Bye! Whoa, no, move over here. Let me see. Nope. Okay, and go.